Forces of Eastern Mindanao Command, enlisted personnel, reservists, participants, guests, and members of the media, good morning.
Fellow officers, those participating through BTC, non-commissioned officers, and our dedicated reservists, good morning.
Including the parents, the guardians, the community relevant to disaster. The total force actually not only directly aligns to people who are wearing the uniform.
To please go in front to be assisted by ACOS for Joint Training U8 for the unfurling of the official Total Force HADR Challenge banner. Ladies and gentlemen, the Eastern Mindanao Total Force HADR Challenge 2026 is now officially opened.
Good morning, no? May buntag sa inyong tanan. Okay. Ezra Fernandez from the Office of Civil Defense 11, and I'm under sa operations section as the information officer. So I would see a bit of familiar faces na nakauban ako or nakasama ko during the Emergency Operations Center na training course.
Certificate of Appreciation is hereby presented to Mr. Ezra James B. Fernandez in recognition of your invaluable contribution as lecturer on the accreditation of PMOs and ACDBs during the conduct of Total Force HADR Challenge 2026.
Si Major General Arandon. So I feel obliged to greet you and give short remarks. Alam nyo, ang Armed Forces of the Philippines serves as the lead agency for the search, rescue, and retrieval cluster. No? Kaya hindi na kailangan ng proseso na mag-apply pa kayo ng gano'n. So, i-request kayo directly ng NDER RMC pag meron mga disaster sa inyong locality.
Good morning. Second day. Sa mga activities karon, visit 3 perform. So, dito sa stand. Sinabi ko ako mga kauban ng practice group. Ito Manila ang visit 3.
Equipment to the stick. Asphalt.
Going ang CPR.
Go, 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 go!
Yung CPR while gina-retrieve ang patient.
Aircraft yung kinukumanda. Aircraft wala. Oh. Dandaan, dandaan. Matulas yung lumot. Madulas ang lumot ha, paalala, madulas ang lumot dyan. Ingat, mag-ingat. Kanina. Ito makita ko kanina.
Tandaan na, madulas yan.
Meron ka na.
Okay, good.
Laglag yung first aid.
Oh, dadan.
They are now preparing to go to grandstand no para sa TC3 or TECC na karon. Dili na siya TC3. So my team and fam, reserve and regular. Sergeant Morgades already no. Marines na yapon.
Nagpa-quake na doon ano na kayo, magkasal na kayo ng dito natin i-evacuate, ha? So, ganap na din kayo. Team leader ng medic, ito magganap ng ano location. Okay. Okay, team 1. Sino team 1?
1, sir.
Team 2. Sir. Prepare, check your gear.
Yes, sir.
Kompleto na. So, mangyari ngayon, i-check muna namin dalawa ang vehicle, then saka namin tawagin kayo. Okay?
Stand by first.
Bye, first aid.
Bye. Truck code.
Engine off. Good. Battery. Check battery na. Battery. Okay. Ready?
Ready, sir.
Team 1, Team 2, release!
Yes, sir.
meron sa driver side, meron sa passenger side. Tapos meron pa sa likod, sa back seat.
Right, sir.
Okay, boop.
Move. Dalawang head and breathe. Medic, isa. Likod, dito, sarap.
Kailangan dito. Assist na, head injury. Kailangan nyo ng ano, triangular nyo.
Anong assessment, sir? Conscious, unconscious. Unconscious, isa. Medic, sa likod, isa. Medic, isa, likod.
Medic. Isang medic.
Medic, assess. Chance at large. Conscious, isa. One, conscious. Initial, 4 victims.
Anong tag dito? Please.
Survey the area. Survey the area. What is your task? Isang medic dito. Baron, isang medic
Is now surveying the area. Surveying.
research ka sa medic. Red! Nasa harap, isang red. Head injury. Sir, dalawa? Dalawa? Ha?
Head injury.
Yes, sir, red. Ay, sir.
O, teka, nag-assist na ba kayo? Yung pinapay mo Sleep pulse.
Right, ma'am. Pulse,
Pulse,
positive.
no
positive,
breathing.
No.
No breathing.
No bleeding, no
Ay,
pulse.
no pulse, no breathing. Unconscious. Red.
Red, ma'am.
No pulse, no breathing. What is your tagging?
Red.
Sure ka ba?
Yes,
Ay,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
You're wasting your time.
Bandage.
No pulse, no
Bandage.
breathing.
No pulse, no bleeding. CPR na yan.
Yes, sir. First aid. Labada sa ulo eh. Medical. CPR. Ayusin yung strap. Ayusin ang strap. Ako dyan, ako dyan.
No comment ako, Doc. No comment.
CPR.
Ay, sir. CPR. Go. 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14,
Wala akong mag-treat.
15, 17,
Wala akong mag-treat.
18, 19, 20. Flat surface.
Lumog.
No,
Lumog.
not
Safe, safe.
Not
Not safe, not safe.
Action.
Prepare to move the
Dalawa.
victim.
First, sir.
Hey,
Naman.
meron pa isa doon.
Isa
Bilis.
pa, isa pa. Ready?
Isa.
Ay, sir. Okay. Left. Ay, sir.
May
Move.
to the left,
Move.
right.
Right. Cervical spine injury. Cervical, ma'am.
Ibiyaan man eh. Oh my. Ibiyaan.
Kahit apat lang yun, pwede na yun. Sige.
Okay. Doon. Bawal dito. Saranda. Isman. Tabang.
Oh my God! Ayay ka! Oh my! Oh my!
One more victim here!
Team, sir. Okay, na lang kayo. Dito, isa. Bawasan doon, sa una. Bawas isa. Anong initial, sir?
Still breathing, my pulse but unresponsive.
Still breathing, my pulse, unresponsive. Isa.
Di ka
Isa,
na.
sir.
Sir, ano kung mga pa ako, sir? Siyempre, madulas tayo. Sensyahan nyo na, sir.
Uy, dapat isunod.
Dapat yung ano? Yes. Tumigil muna. Minsan yung chest sit. May chest sit tayo. Patay mo. Chest food. Right, sir. Dito sa chest, open wound. Then, there's a massive bleeding sa paa. Meron din dito, red tag!
Hindi masyadong ipitan. Amputate yan. What kind of ambulation?
Chest. Sa paa. Right sa chest. Ay, sir.
Alert.
Okay lang dyan.
Pain.
Hope na lang. Pwede na.
Tanong mo kung pwede siya.
Kaya maglakaw, sir.
assist. Asa man yan yung dalon search? Paano search? Pagbayo search?
One, four, five, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 3. 1, 2, 3. Third cycle na to. Fourth cycle. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 4.
Continue na.
Go.
Second.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 25, 27, 28, 29, 5, 1, 2. Check.
Resilient, resilient.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 1, 2.
Several cycles, the patient has no pulse, no breathing, now patient's blocked. So I want you to see, to reassess, ano problem ng patient na to. Tell me why the patient is
March. Massive bleeding. In the chest, ma'am. And on the forehead. Forehead and chest, ma'am. Massive bleeding. Air.
forehead lang ba?
Hawak ni si ma'am.
Saan po galing sa patient?
Sa car accident, ma'am.
Saan?
Front seat, ma'am.
Bakit siya namatay? Anong position?
Anong kus nakaupo, ma'am? Nakalabas yung ulo niya at kamay.
So ano pang unexpected injury?
Fracture, ma'am. Sa head. Hemorrhage, ma'am.
From? Anong
Injury in the forehead, ma'am.
forehead lang ba? Iniisip mo? Vehicular accident.
Internal hemorrhage, ma'am.
Sa asa?
Sa ulo, ma'am.
Ulo? Ano pa?
Sa ulo. Pwede din dito, ma'am. Sa abdomen part.
No?
Chest part.
Ano pa?
May mga dugo din dito, ma'am.
Tingnan mo, open.
Mga abrasion tayo sa open natin to. Sir. May open. For the abdomen part, ma'am. Chest. Abdomen.
Hindi niya nakita to.
Isang, ma'am.
Endorse.
Ganun, ma'am. Ito, ma'am.
Ano pa? Ano pa?
Unconscious, rectal.
Pwede rin dito, ma'am.
Bakit ang
Nasa-
cervical collar?
Concert.
Ay, ma'am.
Nasa
Cervical, patay na.
Kaya patay na.
Then,
I want to know ano.
accident.
Kuan sa broken leg.
Broken leg. Isa pa. Tanawa yung patient. Kasi nga yung patient.
Nasa mga samad sa
Sumad siya.
iyan.
Tiyan. What will you consider? Baka siya sama sa tiyan. Ha? What will you consider? Nagradyo na? Pero may... Ha? How will you extract your patient?
Kailangan ambulance sa sa
Your patient is dead. Your patient is dead.
kailangan ng ambulance para conscious na kayo agad. Ikot sa radyo.
Asa man yung nakita niyo yung patient? Call. Number 3. Water. Spent. Spent. Patient. Ginawa na yun? Spent. How will you assess the patient? Assess.
Hindi ninyo. Sige.
Hindi ma'am, para mag-stop bleeding.
Sige. Go. Assess. Assess. What will you... Asam ka magsugod, sir? BLS. Ha? LLF. What is LLF? BLS. Look. Listen. And feel. Sige, look to your patient. Say na And then, pulse. Pulse is shallow, narrow. Ano yan? What is that area? Di ba mag-check? Ha? No. Okay ba na? Oh, what is that area? What is that pulse? Ha? Ano siya na pulse? Okay. Your patient is hypothermic. Temperature 34 degrees Celsius. Weak pulse. Shallow breathing.
No pulse, no breathing. Conduct CPR.
Weak pulse. Weak pulse. Hypothermic. Weak pulse. Weak pulse. Hypothermic. What is your first answer? Weak pulse. Hypothermic. What is hypothermic, sir? Hypothermic is?
Yan.
Ha? Hindi nangurog. Hypothermic. Hypothermic. Baba. O.
Temperature.
Temperature.
Video, panangimon.
Over. Patient sa low temperature.
Okay. Sige, i-assess your patient. Diba, weak pulse na. Dapat, na-transport mo siya. Saan naman yung transport?
Tawag mo ng ambulance. Tawagan ng ambulance. Tawagan na. Magaling tapos.
Wala na, yung patient.
30, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2.
Tawagan na, sir.
11, 12, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 5, 1, 2, Vincent, check pulse.
To rescue, kapit. Kana sa mo mag-atag rescue breath.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 5 seconds.
Ihap. Wala, padayon. Lagi na yan. Papunin. Pero sa mo mag-reassess. Sir naman mo.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 1, 2.
Ibaluagan na ko ito. Kasi ikot pa nila.
So if you apply the first tourniquet, still bleeding, what will you do?
Ready?
Reassess.
CPR. 1,
You apply combat tourniquet and it's still bleeding. What will you do?
Release the
I-assess mo yung tourniquet. Kailangan ipitan mo hanggang mag-stop yung bleeding.
1, 2,
Assuming that high and tight, then yet it's still bleeding, what will you do next?
Wala mo yung bibig.
May bandage mo?
Ha?
Assuming that this is high tide.
Show me.
Ana pagkutang?
Asyuka, this is high type breed and yan na, nagpapas pa. Still breathing. Copy there.
Four, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Elevate.
6, 7, 8, 9, go! 1, go!
Elevate.
Severely bleeding!
Assume that this is high type already but still bleeding. You will apply pressure bandage, ma'am.
Pwede ba nag-visite tayo? Hindi ka nag... Uy, ngayon ka nakapagsin na. Slide. Recover. Assessment. No pulse to breathing.
Okay, hila ng father.
Let's check. Assessment. No blood. Lock na na.
Wala na. No touch, no touch.
Yes, sir. Negative, sir. Murag ka lang, sir. Talis mo ka ba?
Wala na, sir.
Okay, sir. Okay, lahin sila.
No touch.
Tita. Si Lieutenant Cuartico. Congrats Marines.